Hello, welcome back again to another video. My name is God's Gift Olumo, and as you did for the channel, I say make a thank una for the like, the share, the subscribe, and everything that they do to enhance the channel. For the video today, we will look into Python, relational operators, and logical operators. Now, from this place, we don't move common from data structure, which we talk about Python list, Python set, Python tuple, Python dictionary. So I go say if this is not your first time, maybe say you see things like this and you don't understand which I just talk, I will say maybe you go back to the videos, maybe go watch out for the channel so that you can understand more. And if you don't already get basic knowledge for Python, so no while stick around, you can understand what we mean more by relational operators and logical operators. So the first thing we go look for our relational operators now the equal to. So equal to checks if the two numbers on both sides, whether they equal. So if we check this our code right here, we declare three variable, we get num1, we get num2, and we set num1 to 5, we set num2 to 10. Then we can set we can get another variable called results. Then we set this our expression. The result of this our expression we'll put inside this variable here. So now for when we talk about relational operators or logical operators, the possible answers we will get from there are either true or false. So if an expression is true, we'll get true. If the expression is false, we'll get false. So the first thing we'll look now, we can say, since we don't set num1 to 5, num2 to 10, now if or is num1 equal to num2, so whatever answer we did here, we'll print our comment, then we'll get our result. So we'll run this code now, and then we'll see say the answer we'll get now false. Why? Because num1 na 5 and num2 na 10, and definitely 5 not the equal to 10, so that's why we get false. Yeah. So the next one we will look for relational operators now not equal to. So same way, just the opposite of as we get the first one we'll talk about equal to. So if we look this one now, we see the same operators now we see declare. The same variables rather now we see declare. Num1 is equals to 5, num2 is equals to 10. Then this time our expression we'll call it do we say we call it as is num1 not equals to num2, and the truth be say num1 actually is not equals to num2 because num1 are 5 and num2 na 10, so they're not the equal to. So the expected answer what they get for here now not true. So for run now we see say not true na be our answer. So another one we will look into na greater than. So they say greater than, they check if the value on the left side they greater than the value on the right side. So it start the comparison from the left side. So the value for the left side they greater than the value on the right side, it will give us true. But if it not be correct, if not the correct, it will give us false. So we set our variable again to num1 is equals to 5, num2 is equals to 10. Then our expression into results. So if we run this code now, we definitely 5 with the here, which is our num1, is not equal to, is not greater than rather than 10. So we expect me this thing bring false. So if we run this code, something a false now we get as our answer. The thing just basically simple. Now just the logic where we say you could use the full and they go like that small. So if we check the next one, which is less than, so same logic like the greater than, but just that this time it check if the value on the left side is lesser than the value on the right side. So with our basic example, we give 5 and 10 for num1 and num2. Definitely we run if num1 is lesser than num2, and this one's supposed to be true because num1 are 5 and num2 are 10. So if we run them again, so I say not true be our answer. So if we move on again to another one, we discuss about greater than or equal to. So greater than equal to check if the value on the left side is greater or is equal to the value on the right side. So using the same logic again with that greater than, but this time just that it check if it not the greater than, is it equal to, or maybe at the number they did the same. So if we check now, so we get num1 is equals to 5, num2 is equals to 10. Then because the result is equals to normal our expression, so is num1 greater than equal to. See the O to the right greater than equal to. You write this your arrow forward and then your equal to sign or your assignment sign. So once you do them equal to 2, now definitely the answer we will get for you now false because 5 is not greater than 10, neither is it equal to 10. Then now they get the gist now. So if we run now, so you see that false be our answer. Then we'll go up again. We'll look the very last one, which is lesser than equal to. So lesser than equal to are just opposite of the greater, less than equal to now opposite of the greater than equal to. So this time we check if the value on the left side is less than or equal to the value on the right side. So definitely our answer for here is supposed to be true because 5 is less than 10, although not equal to 10, but it is less than 10. So if we run this code again, we'll get true. So this is now basically about things we'll get for relational operators. So we'll check our logical operators. So type of logical operators we get and they return true if both operands. What we mean by operand, we talk about operation. Now you say if both operands are true, it returns true, otherwise it will bring out false. Not get confused, it's very simple. See what we talk. If we check our code again, we don't set num1 to 5, num2 to 10. Now we don't introduce another variable called num3 equals to 15. You see the way I do this stuff now, we create another one again result. This whole thing here with the column, now they call operand or operation or expression. So you know say normally boldly they return two answers. Either they give you true or they give you false. So for and if the expression with the here are true and the expression with this other side are true, the answer will be true. Otherwise it will be false. Now be the simple logic with the attached to them. So if we check our number again, our number now num1 are 5 and num2 are 10. Normally is num1 lesser than num2. The answer is true. Num1 5 is lesser than 10. Then again is num2 lesser than num3. Yes, because 10 is lesser than 15. So the first say this one are true, this one are true, our expected result will be true. So if we run this our code, see I say our expected results are true. Then we'll come down and begin to check the other one, which is all. All states say it returns true. They return true if one of the operands is true, otherwise it will return false. So what it all mean be this, or just this simple. If any of the expression we did here now, if any of the expression we did here, make I highlight them, we wanna see them. If any of the expression we did here now not true, or this one are true, it go result true, it will report to true. If this one are true now, can I still highlight them again? If this one are true and this one we did here now false, it will result to true. As I say any of the condition are true, the answer are true. Otherwise, it will bring false come out. So if we check this our code again, is num1 greater than num2? Definitely wrong because our num1 are 5 and 5 not greater than 10, which is our num2. So this one already false. But again, if we check on is our num2 lesser than num3? Yes, because our num2 na 10 and our num3 na 15. So you see, so we already get false for the first side, we already get true for here. So the answer is supposed to be true because one of the conditions not true. So if we run now, we get false. Now let me see what did happen. Sorry, now all supposed to be here. So let me make mistake or. So if we run now, see I say our answer don't turn to true. Sorry for that mistake. So the next thing we'll go look onto again now. And I just before we go for I just talk about you see say I talk something come out and then I run the expected result will be say I get and not see them. But I check the code again, find out say oh mistake there. Now that will be the idea about programming. It's not just about you the right code. You must also get that patient to be able to check what you they do. If one mistake they find out, and it's good also to get expected results, to know what will be the expected result, what you expect. So you not just depend on the computer to just do what you want to do, then you can't believe say that true. You suppose get idea. You understand? Or say, okay, now this kind of thing like this will be my supposed outcome. So if it not be like that, then you want the debug and the check. So this thing what I just do now, we call this thing semantic error. Now we call it. Why we get different type of error? We get syntax error, which your code no run. Semantic or logical error means say it dey run, but will not be what you want that you dey get. So that one I just make a chip that one in for inside this video. So the next stuff we go look the notes. So we go look the notes. Okay, scroll up. All right, so we go look the notes. So notes basically now to just negate everything you get. So if I say, like for example, we'll get now, say user is equals to true. I want another thing I will tell when I get when I look the way to the right true. Now capital letter T the starter. Capital letter T the starter. Other programming language, if it be true like this, but Python not they accept this as true. So it's true. A capital letter T the starter. Same thing goes to false when they here. My capital letter F the starter. If I put small letter F like this, it will work. So you go put capital letter F. So we say user is equals to true. Then result is equals to not user. We dey negate our user. What we do is say we set user as true. Then we now say result is equals to negate what user be. You understand? So if user na fair true and we negate them, the answer we go get for here na false. Simple as that. And if we set user to be false and then we not user, you understand? We negate what user fair be. So the answer could be true. So basically now this thing now just the for logical relational operators for Python. I will say Mona not forget to subscribe to the channel so that we will move forward, we will grow, and Mona they look into or look forward to our next video will come very soon. So we will see you later now. Thank you guys.